Hello friends, I am here to give you a talk on career in biotechnology. Hello biotechnologists, I am here. Please go through this presentation for next few minutes and I am sure I will be able to deliver something which is very useful for you. What is biotechnology? Biotechnology is a research oriented science which also tells us as combination of biology and technology. In simple words, biotechnology is a branch of science which uses microorganisms for the benefit of mankind. Now, why I want to tell you these two definitions is first reason is this very funny reason is this is the most talked two definitions of the nation. This is the two definitions which is almost heard by every student. Yes, indeed, biotechnology is a branch in which you use microorganisms for the benefit of mankind. What are the subjects under biotechnology? I will classify the subjects into two categories. One is core subjects and applied subjects. Under core subjects, genetics, biochemistry, microbiology, immunology, virology, chemistry, engineering and cell biology. Under applied subjects, medicine, agriculture, animal husbandry, cropping system and crop management, ecology, soil science and conservation, biostatistics, physiology and seed technology. Now, why to choose a career in biotechnology? Somebody might have told you, what are the applications of biotechnology? Biotechnology can help you to fight against disease, feed the hungry people, improve the food production techniques, clean up the environment and make manufacturing more efficient and profitable. Where to study the course of biotechnology? Look for institutes which can provide you with better practical exposure. What I would suggest to you people is that since biotechnology is a science subject, so all science subjects need to have a good practical exposure. So always try to look for an institute which can provide you with this good practical experience, and that's what leads you to make a good career in biotechnology. What are the types of courses available if you are interested to choose the career in biotechnology? So these are the few of the list of the courses. You can go ahead for 5-year integrated MSc MTech courses, MSc Biotechnology, PhD in Biotechnology, MBA, BTech, MTech in Biotechnology. These are the different courses available in different universities. What are the thoughts of students regarding the scientists? This is generally most talked topic among the students. Students always think that scientists are intelligent, scientists are bad dressers, scientists are work obsessed, they don't have any hobbies, they are socially awkward, they are absent-minded people, uncool people. So let me tell you, if you next time if you find a biotechnologist, please don't think that he is socially awkward or he is an absent-minded. But these are generally the thoughts of students. But this is not that biotechnology are really cool people with very social. They have very good social quotient as well. Whenever you are interested to make a career in biotechnology, one of the most important fact to remember is that you should be very much habitual of reading literature, reading books, reading magazines, reading newspapers. Reading can be of any sort, because what it is, somebody said it correctly, reading makes a conference man while writing makes a complete man. Now, career and job search in internet, using internet resources, I would say always Google it around to look for relevant websites you need. Remember, everything is available online, just you need to spend your time searching in the options. What are the careers available? If you are interested, these are few of the branches which you can make a career. You can go for R research and development, can go in operations, you can go in quality control and assurance, clinical research, as well as finance and administration. What are the academic options? If you are going for BSc and BTech degree, then you can be a technical assistant, media technician, greenhouse assistant, a quality control analyst, a health specialist, or a clinical data specialist. If you are a postgraduate, that is MSc and MTech, you can be a research assistant, associate scientist, or something like that. And this is with respect to scientific careers I am speaking about. If you go for a doctoral degree, you can be a postdoctoral scientist, senior scientist, assistant professor, associate professor, professor. All these things, if you are going for a BSc degree, that is undergraduate course, you will have to spend 3 years. If you go for MSc, you will have to spend 5 years. So all these things will depend upon salary, time, and experience. These are the 3 important factors here. So all these things will depend upon salary, time, and experience. You can also go for non-scientific careers: sales and marketing, finance and administration, project management, planning, public relations, investor relations, government relations, distribution management, accounting and finance, legal counsel, mechanics, glass washer, shipping and receiving clerks. If you want to make a scientific career, then you can go ahead for you can start with entry level jobs. These are few of the jobs profiles which I would like to share with you: animal care technician, aseptic fill technician, documentation assistant, lab technician, manufacturing associate, material handler, quality control technician, quality assurance auditor, documentation coordinator, and research assistant. Now, why? Which people should choose a career option called biotechnology is: if you enjoy science, maths, technology, investigating, problem solving abilities, and making useful products is your hobby, then biotechnology can be a career for you. How to pursue a career in biotechnology? Step 1 is make the full use of your internet connection. Be efficient in using your computer's skills. Have a good, effective verbal and written communication, and you should have some basic maths ability. Step 2 is have a counselor, and you can also talk to your teachers. Step 3 is be familiar with the state and national biotechnology organizations, professional groups. Gain experience in the industry through internships, workshops, and trainings. These are 3 very vital steps for each and every biotechnologist, is that spend your time in searching for a good internship opportunity or workshop or training that will always benefit you. Courses after graduation, you can go in, this is with respect to MSc, you can always try in MSc clinical research, bioinformatics, biomedical engineering, animal biotechnology, genetics, marine biotechnology, biochemistry, microbiology, and nutrition. What are the opportunities for undergraduates and postgraduate students with respect to trainings? I would suggest is that go for central or state university departments as well as in IITs. If you want to do PhD, these are some of the entrance exams which you need to get through. Remember, this is just a list of examinations: CSIR or DBT JRF, ICMR JRF, something like some of these exams are there. There are many more exams available these days. On every university conducts its own entrance exams. Most of the universities conducted. So you have to select a university and then go for appear for its entrance exam. To the short-term courses, if you want to do some short-term courses, almost every national institute provides. But just look at their websites, and you will find the relevant information regarding the courses. Look for advertisements in biotech-based websites. Always remember, training and summer projects adds on to your experience. Opportunities for postgraduates, IITs, you can always do your trainings and project works in all IITs. You can try for it. I'm not saying that they will provide you with the opportunity, but you can always try in IITs, CSIR laboratories, ICMR laboratories, DBT autonomous institutes, or institutes of national repute. One important thing you should make a note that there are some institutions in India which provide specifically to training for MSc first year as well as BSc second year students. So if you are in MSc first year or BSc second year, you should always try for it. Careers in life sciences, you can always get information through websites as well as in newspapers. Requirements: if you want to do PhD in American universities, these are some of the exams which you have to get through: GRE, TOEFL, TSC, AGRE, Academic Graduate Record Examination. If you are trying for UK or Europe universities, TOEFL as well as strong research experience is must. And if you are trying for Indian institutes, a written entrance examination and a interview with faculty members is required. Of course, the requirements for the PhD program will differ from country to country as well as from university to university. Always the best option would be, before starting a PhD program, before planning for a PhD program, just go ahead and look what are the eligibility criteria for the PhD exams, PhD programs. Skills: as every subject must have some basic skills, a student of every subject must have some basic skills. So these are some of the skills which you must develop. First is data analysis, time management, written communication, problem solving abilities, computer skills, idea generation and implementation, manual ability, research grant writing skills, and training and educating skills. What is the meaning of scope? Just before few minutes I was just googling it around, and I typed scope and I found this: the extent of the area or subject matter that something deals with or to which it is relevant. So in case if you see what is the scope of biotechnology, you will find what are the subjects matters which are included in the biotechnology. So here is some of the scopes in biotechnology. You can make a career in gene therapy, plant tissue culture, stem cell techniques, biosensors, bioremediation, bioinformatics, including genomics and proteomics. This is the scope in biotechnology. Continued: enzyme engineering and technology, photosynthetic efficiency, new DNA technologies, plant-based drugs, peptide synthesis, nanobiotechnology, biological warfare. Again, rational drug design, nutraceuticals, assisted reproductive technologies, organ transplantation, new drug delivery systems, production of useful materials, production of new materials using new ideas. Now, what are the steps which a biotechnology student must follow? Prepare your email IDs, join some biotechnology based websites, make more friends from the same field of interest, keep looking for resumes of famous personalities, talk with elders and seniors, make your stay in laboratory and institute much more meaningful. So these are some of the steps which you can follow. Always try to connect with people who are having the same interest as that of you. That will always help you to gain more knowledge and develop what you are lacking. Always remember that you can make a difference in society and you are something very, very important to society. Well, thank you, my dear friends, for watching this video, and I hope that you will find this very helpful for your career, and I hope that few of your doubts might have been cleared. Thank you very much for spending this wonderful time.